What if the Earth stopped spinning for 5 seconds?
What do you mean by that?
What would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Just for 5 seconds? Sounds harmless, right? But the truth is, the consequences would be catastrophic. Imagine everything on Earth flying at 1,000 miles per hour. Tsunamis, megawinds, mass destruction.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
This isn't science fiction. This is the science of our planet's spin. Let's dive into it. The Earth spins at around 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than a commercial airplane, but we don't even feel it.
Damn!
Because everything on the surface, air, water, and land, is moving along with the Earth at the same speed. But what if, just for 5 seconds, the Earth suddenly stopped? Would we even notice? The answer is terrifying.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If the Earth stopped spinning, everything on its surface, oceans, atmosphere, and even you, would still be moving at 1,000 miles per hour. Without the Earth's rotation to keep things in place, inertia would take over. Imagine being on a speeding roller coaster with no seatbelt, and suddenly the ride stops, but you don't. Everything that isn't anchored to bedrock would go flying. The winds alone would turn into devastating storms. The oceans wouldn't be spared either. Water, which is already moving at the Earth's speed, would surge forward. This would trigger enormous tsunamis, walls of water crashing into continents with unimaginable force. The oceans at the equator, especially, would shift dramatically, creating mega tsunamis that would wipe out coastal regions across the globe. And all of this in just 5 seconds. Now, let's talk about the atmosphere. Just like everything else, the air is moving with the Earth's rotation. So when the planet stops, the air keeps going, creating winds stronger than any hurricane we've ever seen, potentially up to 1,000 miles per hour. And these winds would sweep across the planet, causing mass destruction everywhere they touch. Not only would it be impossible to stand, but buildings, bridges, and even mountains would suffer unimaginable damage from the sheer force of the wind. If the Earth stopped spinning completely, not only would we face destruction, but our entire day and night cycle would change. One side of the planet would be locked in perpetual daylight, while the other would be plunged into endless night. Over time, the side facing the sun would become blisteringly hot, while the dark side would freeze solid. The temperature extremes would make life nearly impossible. So, what would happen after those 5 seconds of chaos? Assuming the Earth starts spinning again, everything would still be in ruins. The planet's ecosystems would be in disarray. Massive floods, destroyed infrastructure, and extreme weather conditions would make survival nearly impossible. It would take decades, maybe even centuries, for the planet to recover from the sheer devastation of just 5 seconds of a stopped Earth. So, could the Earth ever really stop spinning? Not likely.
Okay, let's go.
The laws of physics that keep our planet in motion aren't going to suddenly vanish. But thinking about these what-if scenarios helps us appreciate just how delicate and perfectly balanced life on Earth really is. If you enjoyed this mind-bending scenario, don't forget to like and subscribe for more science mysteries, and let me know in the comments. What other crazy science questions should we explore next?